In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create vertical dividers in Notion, even though Notion doesn't officially support vertical divider blocks. This is a simple workaround that looks clean, works reliably, and can completely change how your pages are laid out, especially if you like building dashboards, side-by-side sections, or structured layouts. If you've been struggling to visually separate content vertically in Notion, this method is exactly what you need. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. You can name this page anything you want, but for this tutorial, we'll call it Vertical Dividers so it's easy to recognize later. Once the page opens, click at the very top and add a header block. Type in Vertical Dividers as the title, so everything is clearly labeled. After that, click directly below the title to place your cursor where you want the divider to appear. This is important because the divider will be inserted exactly where your cursor is positioned. Now type a / on your keyboard, followed by the word Inline. As you type, you'll notice Notion showing a drop-down menu. Even though Notion doesn't have a built-in vertical divider option, you'll see something called Inline Equation. Go ahead and click on Inline Equation from the list. This opens up a small equation input box. Inside this box, we're going to use a simple LaTeX command to visually create a vertical line. Carefully type \color, curly bracket blue, curly bracket \rule, curly bracket 2pt, curly bracket 400pt. Don't worry if it looks complicated at first. The 2pt controls the thickness of the divider, and the 400pt controls the height. You can customize both of these values later to match your layout. Once you've typed the equation, click on Done. Instantly, you'll see a vertical line appear on your page. This is your vertical divider. From here, you can drag the divider into columns, place content on either side, or duplicate it to create multiple sections. You can also change the color by replacing blue with another color name and adjust the height to fit your page perfectly. Play around with it until it looks exactly how you want. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create vertical dividers in Notion using inline equations. This small trick can make a huge difference in how professional and organized your pages look. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.